Hi guys, it is Pila here. Let us look at the Euro US dollar on a higher time frame. We're gonna start on 3 months, as we are always starting on a higher time frame. Always remember to check the direction of the market, to check where the market is coming from. Once you get the direction of the market from higher time frame, everything becomes easy. The reason why I always encourages you guys to start on a higher time frame, it is because of this thing. Right now, this is where the market is. You can tell where the market is coming from and why the market turned and where the market is headed right now. You move to your left-hand side, what do you see? A PCP. You check above, you have your first time touch, your second time touch, your third touch of the trend line. Eventually, the market is going down. Hence, I said, we are not in a position of guessing entries. You must be sure that the market is going down, and then you go to smaller time frame. You look for entries that are corresponding with what you got from higher time frame. Right now, if you're going to sell, where is your exit point on the resistance? Your exit is on the broken resistance, of which is this one. Resistance, it was broken, your entry. Now you're done. You can go to smaller time frame from here. What is it that you're going to do from smaller time frame? You will look for entries that are corresponding with what we got from 3 months. On 3 months, we have a sell, right? Let's go down with the time frame. Let's go down. Before going down with the time frame, let me show you. Here is your trend line. And then here is your continuation pattern. Both these patterns, they show that the market is going where? It is going down. Your continuation pattern, and then the trend line as well. So now we move to monthly. We move to monthly. On monthly time frame, we still have the same trend line. Here is your first time touch, second time touch. The touches are visible, guys. The touches are visible, of which is important to us. And then again, here is your third touch. From the third touch, look at the market where it is. The market went higher and then it went down now. Where is your exit? Your exit is on this resistance. That was never tested. It means from now, you have to wait for the market to come back, or you have to enter and exit on the resistance. That's the advantage of trading on a higher time frame. You know the direction of the market and you know where you're going to exit. Let's go to weekly. This is our weekly chart. This is our weekly chart. The market already went down towards to test the support. Here you have a support. I said when you trade support and resistance, you need to observe the touches. How many touches do we have here? Here is your first time touch. Here is your second time touch of the support, right? Now, I said it is your job to pay attention to your left-hand side. It is your job to pay attention to the previous information. So right now, the market went straight for the support. As the market went straight for the support, use your line chart. On our line chart, what do we get? A break of structure there. That shows that the market will change the direction, right? Okay, no problem. We are still on weekly. What else do you see? A trend line that was broken. That shows that the market will change the direction. So the market went down towards to the support. Now, what is it that we have that will cause the market not to continue to the upside? We have a break of structure based on trend line. You have a break of structure based on support and resistance. Both of them are must sell. Those who are trading support and resistance, they are looking for sell opportunities. Those who are looking for the broken trend line, they are looking for sell opportunities. Where is the market gonna go? We move, we go to daily. Remember, you need to go through all the time frames. Because of now my screen is very much dirty, I will have to erase almost everything. Already we know the direction from higher time frame, therefore I'm erasing everything. Since we know the direction from higher time frame, what is it we have on daily chart? On daily chart, there's a trend line there. On daily chart, how many touches we have on that trend line? 1, 2. We enter on the third touch. This is euro, US dollar. We enter on the third touch of the trend line. This is daily chart. The market just went straight to the third touch. All right, let's go to 4 hour. We need to get more information. Remember, the direction we got from higher time frame was that the market will continue to the downside. The market will continue to the downside, right? As the market was supposed to continue to the downside, or as the market was going down, what is it that you're supposed to be doing? You're supposed to be looking for sell opportunities. Right now, looking at this large candlestick that you see here where the market is, you don't have an entry. Wait for the market to go back to the continuation pattern so that you can enter and go down with the market. You jump in right now here expecting the market to continue moving to the downside. There's a minor breaker structure here. There's your resistance. It was broken. You enter here, the market goes against you. Wait for the market to go up so that you can sell safely and go down with the market. If you master approaching the market this way, believe me, you won't have difficulties when it comes to approaching the market ever. Now, let's go again and check more information. So many people are going to be confused with this one. The reason why I'm saying so many, let me erase and show you. So many people were going to be confused why they will add this trend line. If you add this trend line, this is what you see. You then notice that the trend line was broken. Hence, I said the other time that when I was live that you don't have to rely on what you want to see. Instead, you have to rely on the given information. And the advantage of analyzing on a higher time frame, you get the overall trend on a higher time frame as the market is coming down. On smaller time frame, you know what to look for specific. If you focus on this trend line, I once said you can also use a trend line to determine the direction of the market. As soon as they break above that trend line, that means the market's no longer going down. The market is now going up. The market went up, the market came back, and you see what happened. The market decided to break again the trend line. What happened to the people that were expecting the market to continue to the upside here? That's when I understand and believe that those who were looking for uptrends here, they did not go to higher time frame to look at the market. Instead, they just went to 4 hour to look for opportunities that you're going to get on 4 hour. They will tell you that the market will go up. Get the direction of the market from a higher time frame. As you're going to be going down to smaller time frame, you will know specific what to look for. You will know specific that, okay, on a higher time frame, we are pushing the market down. That means when I go to smaller time frame, I must be looking for for sell opportunities. You prepare, okay, here on higher time frame, I got that the market is coming down. And they even left a continuation pattern here that shows that this continuation pattern will be corresponding with the broken trend line. It means the market will go up. Okay, here is your continuation pattern. The market will move from the resistance and go up to the continuation pattern. That's your entry. You go down with the market. Let's add more information here. This is your support zone. The support that you see here is going to be broken as the market is going down. Maybe if you want, after the market went back to the continuation pattern, that's when you're going to be looking for entries. That's your entry. You exit if you want. I know that you guys are not capable of holding for the longest time, but the market is still going down. Based on what I showed you on higher time frame, your entry is going to look like that. Your stop loss like that, your TP if you want. If you are not brave enough to hold from AMA time frames appears, this is your entry and your exit. Again, if the market moves according to our direction nicely, I can also add more orders for you to show, okay, this is where you must enter another orders. But guys, now I assume that you know how to approach the market. You know that, okay, they will break the level here. They will break and come back and test the breaker structure. We continue to the downside. You can even wait for them to break this one. When they come back, you enter, we go down. That's also possible. So I'm gonna stop here with this one. So please do not forget to like and subscribe.